good morning. My dear students, as you know, we have discussed about indefinite tense, continuous tense and perfect tense. And today we are going to discuss about perfect continuous tense. Okay? My dear students, this is very important topic of your English grammar. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous tense. Perfect means completed. Continuous means in progress. Means half part of action has been completed and is still in continuous. Means in progress. Perfect continuous. Half part of action has been completed, perfect, but still is in continuous, in progress. Like I have been teaching English since 2005. I have been teaching English since 2005. Means since 2005 till now. 2005 से अब तक ये क्या है? ये जो पीरियड है हमारे एक्शन का, इट हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड बट नॉट स्टॉप्ड, स्टिल इन कंटिन्यूअस. मीन्स स्टिल आई एम टीचिंग. मैं अभी भी पढ़ा रहा हूं, लेकिन 2005 से लेके अब तक यानी 2021 मई 2021 यानी 2021 मई 2021 तक ये क्या है? ये फिनिश्ड है, कंप्लीटेड है, बट स्टिल इज इन कंटिन्यूअस. और इस समय भी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं. कहने का सेंस ये है, perfect continuous means half part of action has been completed but still in progress in continuous, that is perfect continuous. इसलिए इसका नाम क्या है? perfect continuous. मतलब ये perfect भी है और continuous भी है. Okay? My dear students, let's discuss about more things about perfect continuous. Perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Helping verb for present perfect continuous we use has been or have been. For past perfect continuous only had been and for future perfect continuous we use will have been and shall have been. Will have been and shall have been. Okay students, after that first form of the verb plus ing form means we can say this is the fourth form of verb. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में आईएनजी यूज करते हैं, या इसे कह सकते हैं वर्ब की फोर्थ फॉर्म, ठीक है, इंग फॉर्म प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब विद आईएनजी. सेम हियर, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब plus ing. Has been, have been, had been, will have been, shall have been. Here same, first form of the verb with ing, first form of the verb with ing, first form of the verb with ing. Okay, and after that object, others, since or for. एक मेन थिंग इसकी है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, हम कहाँ पे सिंस यूज करेंगे और कहाँ पे फॉर यूज करेंगे. सिंस एंड फॉर. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सिंस वी यूज फॉर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, means definite time. For definite time we use since, and for indefinite time means period of time. Period of time के लिए क्या यूज होगा? for, यानी indefinite time. Definite time means point of time. Since for indefinite time means period of time we use for. Since or for, same here, same here. Okay, present perfect continuous, has been, have been, but here future perfect continuous we use only have with will and shall. Where we use has, already I have discussed here, already I have discussed about has and have, the use of has and have. With he, she, it and singular subject क्या यूज करते हैं? has. हैव कहाँ यूज करते हैं? आई, यू, वी, दे प्लस प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. सेम हियर, आई एंड वी. इन जनरल कंडीशन, फॉर जनरल पर्पज वी यूज शैल with I and we, and for rest of all except I and we use will. If the condition is a strong determination, then it will be opposite. Already I have told you in future indefinite tense. Okay, and here we are going to discuss some examples of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. ओके। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, perfect continuous, affirmative sentence, at first we use subject, has or have, been, first form of the verb with ing, object, others, since, for, and time. Like my brother has been practicing maths since morning. My brother has been practicing maths since morning. Has or have. My brother, singular subject, third person, has been. Then negative sentence, same here, subject, has or have, then not, been, first form of the verb plus ing, object, others, since, for, and time. My younger sister has been singing a song for 3 hours. Okay? My younger sister has been singing a song for 3 hours. This is your negative sentence. That's why we use here has not. After has or have, we use not. My younger sister has not been singing a song for 3 hours. Okay, students? Here we have to use not. Then interrogative sentence. At first we use question word, then has or have, then subject, then been, first form of the verb with ing, object, others, since, for, time, at last question word, question mark. Okay, students? Here there are two types of interrogative sentence, yes or no type. Second one is WH type, means question word. जो क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं WH टाइप, और जो यस और नो टाइप होते हैं. यस और नो टाइप स्टेटमेंट के लिए क्वेश्चन वर्ड यूज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर WH टाइप के स्टेटमेंट हैं तो हमें उसे क्वेश्चन वर्ड के साथ मेंशन किया जाता है. ठीक है, इसी को आप ले लीजिए किसी भी सेंटेंस को. Why have they? Why have they been reading newspaper since morning. Since morning. Why have they been reading newspaper since morning? Okay? This is your question word. Reading newspaper since morning. Okay? After that, interrogative negative sentence. There is no difference between interrogative and interrogative sentence. After subject, we use not, and same as interrogative sentence. Why have they? After they, we use not, and same. Okay? Next one is past perfect continuous. My dear students, here we have to use only one, means only had been, has been, have been, present perfect continuous. But in past perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, affirmative sentence, at first we use subject, then had been, first form of the verb plus ing, object plus others plus since or for, at last, time. Okay? Like they had been learning. They had been learning their lessons for 2 hours. Next, negative sentence. Subject had not been, first form of the verb with ing, object, others, since, for, and time. Okay? Like my younger sister had not been preparing or singing a song since yesterday, since morning. My younger sister had not been singing a song since yesterday. Okay? Next one is interrogative sentence. At first we used question word, then had, then subject, then been, same first form of the verb ing, others, object plus others plus since, for, and time, at last, question mark. Why had his brother been playing cricket for 3 hours? At last, question word. Why had his brother been playing cricket for 3 hours? Interrogative, negative, we use after subject not. Same as interrogative sentence. Interrogative, negative में क्या करना है? Why had his brother not been playing? मतलब सब्जेक्ट के बाद आपको not यूज करना है और कोई डिफरेंस इसमें नहीं है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. Perfect continuous affirmative sentence. At first we use subject, will or shall, have been, first form of the verb with ing, object, others, since, for and time. Okay? Will have been, shall have been. We have to use anyone. Will have been or shall have been. Okay, here my younger brother will have been watching television since morning at this time. कुछ भी कर सकते हो. My younger brother will have been watching TV since morning. Will have been. Negative sentence. Subject will, shall not, have been, first form of the verb ing, object, others, since, for and time. Okay, here my teacher will not have been teaching English for 2 hours. My teacher will not have been teaching English for 2 hours. Negative. Then interrogative sentence, question word, then will or shall subject, then have been, first form of the verb with ing, object, others plus since or for, time, at last question word. Why will, why shall I, why will they have been playing cricket, playing football, have been playing cricket with their friends since morning. Why will they have been playing cricket since morning? Interrogative negative sentence. What you have to do after subject? We use not. That is interrogative negative sentence. Okay? There is no difference between interrogative and interrogative negative sentence. Only we have to use after subject not. Subject के बाद not लगा दीजिए, बाकी same condition वही रहेगी. ओके? नेक्स्ट आपका होमवर्क है, होम असाइनमेंट है. क्या है? यू हैव टू मेक 5 sentences from present perfect, past perfect, continuous, five sentences from present perfect continuous, 5 sentences from past perfect continuous, and 5 sentences from future perfect continuous. Okay students, this is your home assignment. Thank you very much. Have a nice